The refrigerator.
Refrigerator is a man who have heart attack.
What?
A heart attack. Who can give red card to a people.
An empty street, an empty head, a hole inside your brain.
Refi man.
Hey!
A referee.
Refi, yeah, refi.
It's a refrigerator.
Yeah.
Jesus is Lord.
So give me examples of popular refrigerators, you know.
It's about to go down.
Akwesi Nyantechi. Akwesi Apia. Ose Moreno. Peter Check.
What is a refrigerator?
The thing you put something inside, it become hot.
So what?
The thing you put something inside, become hot.
Madam.
Lying will ruin your life.
What is another name for a refrigerator?
Mercury.
What?
Mercury.
Okay, so can you spell refrigerator for me?